Good morning, children. Today we will see exercise 16.2, question number 12. Shyam purchased a cycle rupees 1800 and sold it at 10% profit to Mohan. Mohan sold the cycle to Anwar at 5% profit. Find out the price at which Anwar purchased the cycle. There are two persons. One person sold the cycle at a profit of 10%. Another person when he sold at a profit of 5%. Then what to find out? Find out the price at which Anwar purchased the cycle. We have to find the cost price at which Anwar has purchased the cycle. Now what it is given? Cost price of whose it is given? Cost price of cycle to Shyam. First person is Shyam. How much it is? Rupees 1800. Now how much profit he got? 10%. That means that is profit of 10%. 10% profit means 100 plus 10. That is 100 and if you plus it, how much it will be? 110%. Is it clear? Now we have to find selling price of the cycle. Now selling price of the cycle, cost price into profit percent. How much profit percent it is? Yes, profit percent upon 100. Now put the value. What is the cost price? 1800. How much profit percent it is? 110% upon 100. Now cancel this 0 0 0 0. Multiply 18 with 110. Multiply it. If you multiply, you will get 1980. This is the selling price of the cycle. Now the cost price. Cost price of cycle to who is the second person? Mohan. That means it is how much? Rupees 1980. Mohan is the first person. Then how much cost price for him? The cycle was 1980. Now what is the profit? Profit is 5%. That means 100 plus 5, that is 105%. Now we have to find selling price of cycle to Mohan. Same formula it is, cost price into profit percent upon 100. What is the cost price over here? That is 1980. How much profit? 105% upon 100. Now cancel this 0 and 0. Now with the table of 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Cancel 198 with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 remaining. Again 2 9s are 18. How much is left? 99 into 21. Multiply 99 into 21. How much it will be? It will be rupees 2079. So cost price of cycle to Anwar is rupees 2079. Is it clear? Question number 13. A shopkeeper purchased 1000 mangoes at the rate of 5 per rupees 10 and sold them at a rate of 4 per rupees 10. Find out the profit in percent. We have to find the profit in percent. So first, cost price of 1000 mangoes. How many mangoes? 1000 mangoes. At how much rupees? Rupees 10. Rate of 5 per. cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 1000 into 2, that is rupees 2000. That is rupees 2000. Cost price of 1000 mango is rupees 2000. Now we have to find selling price. Selling price equal 1000 into 10 upon 4 at the rate of 4. Cancel with the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 25s are 100 and one more 0. Then 250 into 10. 250 into 10, that is rupees 2500. We got cost price and we got selling price. Cost price is 2000, selling price is 2500. 2500. Which is greater? Selling price is greater. Which is greater? Selling price is greater than the cost price. So it is profit. So it is profit. The profit formula is profit equal selling price minus cost price. How much is selling price? 2500 minus how much is cost price? That is 2000. If you subtract, how much you will get? You will get 500. Now we have to find profit percent. The formula of profit percent is profit into 100 upon cost price. Now how much is the profit we got? 500 profit multiply 100 upon what is the cost price? Cost price is 2000. What we got? Cost price is 2000. Cancel this 1 10 10 10, then 2 with 10. Cancel with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 25s are 50. How much it is? 25%. What was the question? Find out the profit in percent. Profit is 25%. Profit is 25%. Is it clear? Question number 14. A shopkeeper sold 2 cycles at the rate of rupees 1100 per cycle. One cycle cost is 1100, then 2 cycle cost we have to see. He got 10% profit on one of the suffered 20% loss. One, he got 10% profit and the other, he got 20% loss. Did he gain or loss? So we have to find how much gain or loss he has got in both the cycle by selling. Find out the profit or loss percent also. You have to find its percentage also. So what it is given? Selling price of first cycle. How much it is rupees? 1100. Profit is how much? 10%. That means 100 plus 10, 110%. We have to find cost price of first cycle. Cost price of first cycle. What is the selling price? 1100 into 100 upon how much is the profit? That is 110. Cancel this 0 and 0 with the table of 11. 11 ones are 11 tens are. If you multiply 10 into 100, that is rupees 1000. This is the cost price of the first cycle. Now, selling price of second cycle equal rupees. It is also 1100. But here it is loss. How much? 20% loss. That means 100 minus 20. That is 80% loss. How to find? Same cost price of second cycle equal 1100 into 100 upon 80. Cancel this 0, 0 with the table of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Again cancel 1100 with 4. Cancel 1100 with 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are 20. That means 275 multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. 3 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10. 10 plus 3, 13. that is rupees 1375 is the cost price. Now total cost price. Total cost price of cycle. What was the first cost price? 1000 plus second cost price 1375. Add both 1000 plus 1375. How much it will be? If you add, it will be rupees 2000. Yes, 375. Correct. Now we have to find total selling price. What it is given? Total selling price. How many cycle was there? 2. What was the cost of one? 1100. That is 2200. This is the total selling price and it is the cost price. Cost price is 2375. Selling price is 2200. That means cost price is greater than the selling price. Cost price is greater than the selling price. So it is loss. Loss means cost price minus selling price, the formula. Now what is the cost price? 2375 minus how much is the selling price? 2200. Subtract it, you will get rupees 175. How much is the loss? 175. Now we have to find loss percent. The loss percent formula is loss into 100 upon cost price. How much is the loss? 175 into 100 upon what is the cost price? Cost price we got, it was 2375. 2375. You cancel with the table. Cancel with the table of 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Again with the table of 5, 5 2s are 10 and 0. Again cancel 175 and 475 with the table of 5. If you divide with the table of 5, you will get 95. 175 divide with 5, 35. Again divide both 95, 20 or 35 and 95 with the table of 5. If you divide with the table of 5, 5 19s and 5, yes, 5 7s are 35. How much is left? 7 into 20 upon 19. Multiply 7 2s are 14. 140 upon 19. Now divide in the rough to make it in a mixed form. You divide. That will be 7 whole 7 upon 19%. What was the question? Find out the loss or profit percent. What is it? Loss. Loss percent is 7 whole 7 upon 19%. Is it clear? See the 15th question. If the cost price of an object is rupees 900, then find out its selling price so as to get a profit of 15%. We have to find a selling price. Cost price, how much it is given? Cost price of an object is rupees 900. How much is the profit? Profit is 15%. We have to find profit. We have to find profit. Profit equal cost price into profit percent upon 100. What is the cost price? 900 into how much is the profit percent? Profit percent is 15 upon 100. Cancel this 0, 0, 0. How much is left? 9 into 15. You know the table of 15. 15 9s are 135. That is rupees 135. Now we have to find selling price. Selling price equal cost price plus profit. How much is the cost price? Cost price is rupees 900 and profit how much we got? 135. If you add 0 with 5, 5, 0 with 3, 3, 9 plus 1, 10. That is 1035 is the profit. Is it clear?